What's up guys, thank you for visiting and welcome back to a new video from Crypto Express, your favorite YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very exciting as we'll talk about some great news about Safemoon. Lots of news is happening today. The stock price is down now, but experts expect a bull run soon, so anyone buying at the low price will have a high probability of becoming a millionaire overnight. We'll also talk about some insane price prediction for Safemoon, so sit tight and don't miss any portion of the video. Also, go ahead and press the like button right now and turn on subscription notifications if you're new. Before proceeding, please note that investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky and lead to a complete loss of capital. This video should not be considered investment advice, and investing in cryptocurrency is done at your own risk. Overall, if we look at the Safemoon price chart, the actual right price chart at this time, we're only down about 1%. Now, this is really interesting because the crypto market has just been so abysmal over the last week, 2 weeks maybe. And we have, $100 million being lost from exchanges and hundreds of billions of dollars being lost in Terra and the entire ecosystem. But the Safemoon price chart has been relatively buoyant or resistant to some of these changes in the crypto market, which is really insane, if you really think about it, right? The whole global market is down. You can see right here that it went from basically 3 trillion to a massive wiping out of dollars of wealth. But Safemoon did pretty well. And so this was actually a Reddit poster saying, "I'm sure there is more technical familiarity," but a Reddit poster said that this might be, something that really survives this kind of a crypto winter, this next bear market. You guys will completely agree. The Safemoon's strength is undoubtedly its community. The community has been presented with a lot of information regarding the liquidity pool being tapped into, or maybe the CEO didn't do a great job, or maybe there was a fraud, or whatever. And even though these allegations have happened, there have been a ton of people in the community that still say, okay, no, I'm still holding on. If you can get through that, then no matter what happens, the investor will not change their investment strategy. The same is the case with Safemoon. Its community backing it is its greatest strength. And if something like that happens, then there are going to be long-term holders that are going to be in this forever. So we're very bullish on the long-term sustainability of Safemoon as a viable altcoin, especially for this new world that we're going into in this new economy. Safemoon's 3-month price chart is still very low overall, but very interestingly, everything has been withstanding the overall terrible crypto market. As long as the holders go up, the burn wallet will also decrease the supply with the passage of time. It is going to be a fantastic long-term project. So if you would like to track this every day and just to say, okay, where are the holders at right now? Where's the supply? Where's the burn? It just means that people are interacting, people are exchanging, and people are utilizing and using this for transactions. They want this to be a currency, right? They want Safemoon for transactions and to use it in-game and also all around the world. So if people are doing that, which it looks like they are, from Reddit, then we're gonna have a robust ecosystem that is really growing and continuing to grow. The Safemoon army would be thrilled to see it. Also on Bitmart, we can see that Safemoon is the second most searched coin for this week. So Safemoon is definitely making some headway. For those who haven't seen what an early stage crypto looks like, it's exactly this. Safemoon had the most massive hype cycle in crypto history, which many completely agree with. So without a doubt, the most viral crypto coin ever, or at least a viral crypto launch since the most massive hype cycle in crypto history. The next stage for Safemoon is going to be even more massive. Stay focused because gains beyond the initial all-time high are coming once the exchange and blockchain arrive. Safemoon price movements are read and predicted by Safemoon traders using a variety of tools to try to determine the direction in which the SFM market is likely to head next. These tools can roughly be divided into indicators and chart patterns. Safemoon traders also try to figure out where important support and resistance levels are, which can help them figure out when a downtrend is going to slow down and when an uptrend is going to come to a stop. Moving averages are one of the most common and often used strategies for predicting Safemoon prices. A moving average, as its name suggests, gives the average price at which SFM traded at the close over the period of time that has been specified. For example, the simple moving average for SFM over the last 12 days is calculated by adding up the price at which SFM has closed each day for the past 12 days and then dividing that total by 12. Traders make use of both the simple moving average SMA and exponential moving average EMA in addition to the SMA because it gives more weight to prices that have happened more recently the EMA reacts faster to price changes that have happened more recently. The 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving averages are among the most commonly used indicators to identify important resistance and support levels. If the SFM price moves above any of these averages, it's generally seen as a bullish sign for Safemoon. Conversely, a drop below an important moving average is usually a sign of weakness in the SFM market. Traders also frequently make use of Relative Strength Index (RSI) and the Fibonacci retracement level indicators when attempting to forecast the direction that the price of Safemoon will go over the next few days. The price estimate for Safemoon for the next 30 days is a projection that has been calculated by taking into account both the positive and negative trends that have occurred during the last 30 days. It is useful to investigate Safemoon's price history in order to have a better understanding of what the future may hold in store for the Safemoon price. You may make a good guess about the price of cryptocurrencies by taking into consideration both on-chain and off-chain measures, in addition to technical indicators that take into account Safemoon's historical pricing behavior. You may also try to measure the market mood to see if investors are bullish or pessimistic about Safemoon. This is another technique that you can use. Bear in mind that there is no foolproof method of predicting the price and that one's track record in the past is not a guarantee of one's success in the future. The current forecast for Safemoon in 2022 is considered to be neutral after taking into account a number of different technical and quantitative factors. This might be a sign that purchasing Safemoon in 2022 was a wise investment decision. In spite of this, it is essential to take into consideration both technical and basic aspects before settling on a conclusion about whether or not to invest in Safemoon. To conclude the whole discussion, it's now a good time to buy Safemoon according to the price prediction. Analysts are very optimistic about Safemoon, estimating that the value of Safemoon will rise by 26.64% to 46% in the coming days. So it's still not too late to have some Safemoon tokens before the price rises too high in order to have a good return. Overall, Safemoon has a very interesting token model which aims mainly to help buyers get rewards and lead sellers to penalties. Safemoon remains a decent coin to buy for good returns in the future. It's a meme coin, which means the asset is susceptible to massive price swings. As well, its low price makes it an attractive option. As our Safemoon forecast shows, the asset does have some potential. That was all for today's video. Finally, please note that this is an instructional video and does not contain any financial recommendations. When investing, exercise extreme caution. If you enjoyed the video, please share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one.